Alright guys, in today's video at TruCUT RDWorks, we're going to be looking at your scaling options for shapes and objects. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on transforming shapes. We've already covered the first two, which is move and rotate, and today we're going to be looking at scaling. Now, I will also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can follow along. Now, I would say when it comes to the importance of transforming tools, especially basic transformation, not node transformation, I would say definitely location, rotation, and scale is on top, because you're going to be using those more often than the rest. So when it comes to scaling, we have three different ways we can go about this. Two of them are very similar, and the other one's a bit more of a freehand way. So the first way is, like I mentioned, a bit more freehand, so it's not going to be as accurate as the next two, but it's definitely the quickest way if you want to quickly visualize your scaling. Let's say we wanted to scale this thing according to the size of this, or scale it to the same size. And with it selected with your selection tool here on the top left, you simply just drag a selection box over it, or you click on one of the rims, which can be quite tricky at times. And you'll see we've got these little control points. Now what they'll do is, the ones on the horizontal plane will scale the horizontal size, and then the ones on the vertical plane will scale the vertical planes. And all the ones in the corners here will, what it will basically do is it will lock your proportions or perspective of the shape, and it will scale the horizontal and vertical relative to each other. So if I do click this, you can see there how it scales it relevant. So that's definitely the quickest way to scale. Then let's say you're looking for more precise scaling, then what you can do is on this bar on top, obviously with the shape selected, then you zoom in here. You can see here on the second option, we've got here size, horizontal and vertical in millimeters. So you can simply, if you want to go exact 100 by 100, press enter, and then now it's exactly 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters. And just move this into the corner. Now another thing to keep in mind is you can lock the perspective here as well with this little lock. Click that on, and now let's say we make this one maybe 200. Let's go 400, so scale it double the size. Then I don't even have to click the next one. I mean 4 times the size. I don't even have to click the next one. It'll automatically do it for me. So yeah, so that is pretty handy if you want to speed up things. And like the rotation and so forth, you can also lock your origin. If you click on this one, you will see at the moment it's set to the top left corner. And you can obviously set that to the middle, the bottom right, or so forth. And that leads us to our third way of transforming, which is, or scaling, is similar to this one. It's just on your system work plate. We go to the transform tab on the far right, and you'll see over here we've got scaling, it's the fourth one from the left. Now like this one, you can set in your values you want, and you can also set your area. So let's go 200 millimeters, scale that to 200, which is also quite convenient. But yeah, that is it on scaling. It's rather simple. If we had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the videos you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, and then we will make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.